A storm has hit the city and sweeping away all vehicles.
The storm is coming. This garage needs to be upgraded.
How to build a car garage. Step 1. Build the elevator. The gear. Add the gear to the frame. And more. Add the conveyor belt. The base. Connect them. Add electric motor and battery box. Testing the elevator. The elevator can move up and down easily. Success. Step 2. Build the garage. Set up. The 3-level garage is ready to serve.
Whoa! I need to park here.
Please go to the 3rd floor.
There's a space left.
3rd floor.
Luckily, my car isn't be submerged.
I want to go to the 2nd floor.
Yes, please come in. 2nd floor.
This is so amazing.
The wind's so strong.
So scary. Look, another storm is coming. Water is rising so fast. The storm is over.
All cars are safe.
Urgent, we need backup now.
Okay.
Recyclable waste.
Good job. See you soon.
Glass waste. How to build the garbage train. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the chain. Step 2. Build the bin. Step 3. Complete assembly. Install the engine. Add the tank. Testing. Plastic waste. Sawdust waste.
The stench of garbage is absolutely revolting.
Stop right now. The thief is on the train.
Hazardous waste.
Help me. Help me.
Let's go. Huh? What's this? We will look for the treasure.
Huh?
Let me try. Don't worry, we'll build a car to climb the slope.
Step 1. Install the body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How it operates.
Yeah. Huh?
Oh.
To be continued.
Yesterday, Lego Town was hit by an Orbeez flood. It completely destroyed the main bridge of the town. Those outside are struggling to access the area.
Oh no, the bridge spans have collapsed. How do I cross this bridge now?
Please wait. We'll fix it right away.
I'm in a hurry. Can't wait any longer.
How to build the sloth car. Step 1. Build the truck head. Step 2. Build the truck body. The gear assembly. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Step 3. Assemble components. Add the wheels. How does it cross the bridge? Moving beam.
I hope Sloth Car can cross the bridge.
Oh!
It's so scary. Those starving crocodiles are like waiting to eat me. Sloth Car made it.
Replay.
I need to quickly help everyone.
Meanwhile, workers are rushing to repair the bridge.
We need to hurry.
The repair is almost done.
The bridge is back to normal. I need to transport supplies into town. My relief truck moves so smoothly. Relief supplies are here.
We are safe.
How to build a disaster relief truck. Build the main engine. Build the truck wheels. Connect the wheels to the engine. Build the truck cabin. Assemble components. Add the battery box. Lego City.
Dear all residents of Woa Lego City, Orbeez have just attacked our city, causing extremely serious consequences.
Look, my car is stuck.
The bridge is broken.
How to clean up Orbeez?
How?
We are testing the two models, the selected vehicle will handle them.
I don't know which car will win.
Worth the wait.
Let's wait and see which car will win.
Centipede car. Test the vehicle's shock absorption. How to build the centipede car. Step 1. Build the wheel system. Step 2. Complete assembly. Lunar roving vehicle. Test the vehicle's shock absorption. How to build the lunar roving vehicle. Step 1. Build the wheel system. Step 2. Complete assembly.
Let's start.
Stop.
Wow, you're doing a great job. Come here. Good job.
Very good.
Fantastic.
Dear residents, our city has returned to normal.
Breaking news. A massive oil reserve has been discovered beneath the seabed of Blue Bay.
At Blue Bay.
Hurry up, buddy. We need to take this oil field first.
Don't worry, our car is ready. Let's go. Oh no, the survey car is capsized.
How do we get to the oil field now?
Let's make an underwater SAR quickly.
Build the car chassis. Add the gears. Add the motor. Build the body shell. Connect to the battery box. Add the claw wheels. Testing. Water. Driving in water. Rocks. Driving on rocks. Orbeez. Driving on Orbeez.
I hope this submarine works. Oh no, that rock area again.
Look, it climbed on the rock.
The oil is right in front of us.
Near the oil field.
What's that ship?
They took the oil, buddy.
Huh? You bastards, that oil should be ours. I'll take this oil back. A tug of war will decide who gets the oil.
Go!
Keep it up, submarine car.
Don't give up.
Yeah, we won. We've got the oil.
We're gonna be rich.
You're both under arrest for stealing oil.
In a car garage.
Are you okay?
Your garage is too dangerous.
We'll update the elevator right away.
How to build an elevator. Build the support frame. Build the gearbox. Connect to frames. Add the engines. Add the floor. Add the battery box. Set up to the garage. The elevator goes up and down perfectly. Testing.
Our garage is ready to serve.
This garage is open. Let's go. Wow, what a modern garage.
Thanks to this elevator, the garage is so busy now. It's full.
I need a parking spot urgently.
It's so dirty, I need a car wash system.
Upgrade the car wash system. Water pump.
The car wash system is complete.
So amazing.
Water is pumped up from the pool below to wash the cars.
My car is clean.
You're welcome.
Your service is great. What? I'm all wet. It makes me more handsome. You lose.
Just wait, dummy boy.
Whoa!